To the big updates coming in, the key details of what the government test data has now revealed in this entire case.
Well, Apurva, we wanted to know from the data which normally is the testing figure in the country, because the ICMR conducts the test, but there is a strict provision in which the government says that ILI, people from influenza-like illness and also severe acute respiratory infections, they must be tested. So we wanted to know as to what is happening in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi, because these are the states from where the highest amount of numbers are coming. So what we have been told, Apurva, from the sources is that the data of influenza-like illness people who are tested, it clearly shows that total 4,09,672 people have been tested who were having influenza-like illness, out of which all across the country 40,871 people have tested positive. In this, Maharashtra has tested around 49,503 people, in which 16,966 people have tested positive, which effectively means every third influenza-like illness patient, when he was tested for COVID, tested positive. And also in Delhi, Apurva, if you see, out of 14,067 influenza-like illness patients, 5,713 patients tested positive. Now, if you remember, Apurva, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan has been telling the district authorities, the state authorities, to actively test the people who are suffering from influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory infection, because they are the one who have a higher chance of contracting the infection. Now, if you go through the data which has been shared to us by the sources, it clearly indicates that in Maharashtra and in National Capital, every third person who is suffering from influenza-like illness, when he is tested for COVID, tests positive.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and giving us all those breaking updates.